Hey there friends, I'm so excited to share the September 2021 monthly kit and add-ons from Elle Studio with you. First, let's take a look at the monthly kit. This month's monthly kit is ready to bring us into autumn and the colors reflect that. Take a look at those more fall hues, that golden yellow, the darker red, just really pretty, still mixed in with the same navy that we love, the gray, the darker teal, really beautiful. These are the two die cut sheets that you get with the kit. They have a lot of different die cuts that you just pop out. I love these little leaves. This one's great, the laugh out loud awesome. There's a couple of speech bubbles, phrases, words, labels, really usable. Then we have 3 4x6 cards. We have the new season, new routine. So it has, the days of the week here. Thankful for this moment. And the stitched tag. We also have 3x4 tags. We have the dark red, love this. We have game day details, the dark green ledger. Love all of these colors together in that kind of fall hued rainbow. On the agenda this week, today, this month, having fun, teal hearts, all the details, thinking, feeling, embracing, yellow stitched, like a red and coral stitched, that golden yellow with hearts. Right now, I love that dark green. Hello, autumn. Highlights from this day. You have these really cool leaves, teal, and the black star. So those are all of the tags and die cuts that you get in the monthly kit this month. The September labels, they match all of the colors in the kit. These ones are really cool because they have this really cool like old school typeface font with different phrases on each one and all of the colors of the kit. Love those. We also have the autumn die cuts. These are awesome, and you get, as usual with Elle Studio die cuts, you get a ton in one pack. So there's a whole slew of these fun word and phrase banners. Blessed, hello, thankful, memories, what else? Grateful, love you, love this, happiness, tradition, harvest, missing this one, the best, in navy, and autumn, right? So we have those, we have the little hearts, circles, all the colors that I just showed you. We have little hearts already cut out. There's a ton of leaves and flowers. You guys look at these really cute flowers. Autumn leaves, just really gorgeous die cuts that are, going to be so fun to work with. And our design team has created some amazing projects using them, so be sure to check that out. But this is one huge pack of die cuts you guys will want to grab. It is a must-have in your stash. Next up, we have the family time banners. Lots of phrases in the colors of the kit. These are great for any kind of documentation. My heart is full, so happy about this. Family is forever. So these are a great add-on to add to your box this month. The cardstock basic shape stickers, we've had these in a couple of colors and now we have them in gray, so a great neutral. There are 2 different sheets included in here. So you have the labels, the banners, the tabs, the little tags here, and stars and hearts. Then you have tabs, more flags, labels, you have the asterisks, and these banners down here. So really usable, a nice matte finish that you can write or stamp on. The Halloween stickers, I am really excited about these because I love Halloween. So you also get 2 sheets with these. Look at how fun these are. Super fun. So you get the spider webs, you get labels in Halloween colors, you get phrases, you get, you know, titles, great for titles. These ones here, you get jack-o'-lanterns, you get banners, little candy corns, and stars. There's so many cute stickers in this set. It's the Halloween cardstock stickers. Then we have the gray Jane tile alphabet stickers. Excited to have these in another great neutral here. The autumn puffy heart stickers. I'm really excited about these because they have some patterning on them in all of those beautiful autumn colors from the kit. Then we have the gold tiny shapes and dots puffy stickers because gold and autumn colors just go together so beautifully. Love those. This is a new one for Elle. I'm really excited about these. These are the Home Sewn Stitches acetate stickers. So they're clear. You can put them on anything. They come in white, so you can see there, white. So you put those on a darker colored paper, you'll be able to see them, and black. And they look like stitches. So if you're too tired or you just don't feel like getting your sewing machine out, you can throw these stickers on your project and it looks like you sewed on your project. Next, let's take a look at the wood veneer sets this month. We have the wood veneer banners, which have different phrases on them. They have hearts and stars in the smaller banners, and I love that they have the holes in them so that you can stitch them to your project. We also have wood veneer leaves. So similar to the die cuts that I just showed you, you have 4 different leaves. Then you have the trick or treat wood veneer. So it's one large title. It says trick or treat, then it has candy and eek. Really cute wood veneers this month. We needed a new fall paper stack and we've got it this month. Really excited about Thankful. Look at the great colors on this one with different words. You know, fall words, bless, tradition, thank you, thankful, happiness, love this. We have the teal stitches, I love that dark teal. Navy blue with a kind of hand-drawn circle. Orange arrows. Green leaves, this is a really petite pattern. That beautiful rainbow in the autumn colors. An orange ledger, black and white stars, which would go great with the Halloween cardstock stickers. Love this yellow and orange heart. That's really striking and fun. A dark red, so like a crimson with little dots. Another stripe. And I can't get it to come apart. This one is really fun. It looks like almost like paint swatches. They're named. So this one says pumpkin, this one says berry, this one is rose, marigold, starry sky, and evergreen. How fun is that? And then it has a little grid at the bottom. Really like that one. A beautiful wood grain. The green stripe with stitches in the lighter green, and a green diagonal stripe. So that is the new Thankful paper stack. We have 2 new stamps this month. First, we have the Home Sewn Stitches stamp. So again, if you really don't feel like taking out your sewing machine, you can add some stitches with a stamp and any kind of color that you have in your ink stash. So there's lots of different fun designs here, double sewn stitches like straight ones. You have the crisscross, like the cross stitch. You have different designs down here, and I love the circle because I can never sew in a great circle anyway. And then we have the Thankful stamp. So you have different words in outline and solid, so you can do the double stitch on those. You have phrases, you have a solid banner, a label, a box, and I love the plus signs. We also have this month the banners metal die. So any kind of banner that you want to cut out, you have a shape for it. You have the curled banner, you have the wavy banner in large and small, you have a big long banner, medium and small, just all of the sizes. Then you can use these to stamp with. So this banner matches up with this stamp. You can die cut this banner and add the word thankful in the middle. There are so many different Elle Studio stamps that will work with these banners, and I'm excited to use this one this month. Thank you so much for watching the September 2021 unboxing video here on my feed. I hope you'll follow me for more unboxing videos, and don't forget to check out the process video that I create each month on this feed with the brand new products that I'm sharing with you today. If you love Elle Studio products, definitely check out the subscription option at the link in my video notes by clicking the down arrow for more details. You get so many different perks with your subscription, like bundled shipping, awesome discounts, and more. So be sure to check out that link to see what it's all about. It's hassle-free and you can cancel at any time. Thanks so much for watching, and happy creating with your brand new Elle Studio September 2021 kit and add-ons.